that's going down. That's going down. Starts to go back up, and then it starts to go back down. That means the high pressure side needs more Freon. Now we're actually feeling some cool air now. So I'm self-taught and I was trying to figure this out, and I did it all backwards and got the high side to get too low when the low side was to ambient temperature pressure. So what I had to do is I had to wait for it to cycle down, and when it started to cycle down, it'd get to a certain point like 0, and then the high pressure side pressure would start to go up. When the high pressure side started to go up is whenever I decided to add Freon to it to raise the pressure on the high side. Once the high pressure side reached ambient temperature pressure, which it's around 88 degrees, 90 degrees right now, so it should be around 250 to 275 psi. Once it gets to that level, it sustains that pressure, and then that allows your cooling system to actually cool. So I think that was my issue. I did it all backwards, how I was taught in the past, and after doing a bunch of research, found out that I did it all wrong, and I think it's fixed now, so we'll see. Getting ready for my project tomorrow. I got a couple projects this weekend I gotta do, and I wanted to have AC, so wish me luck and hope it doesn't fail.